Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to protect your content on websites. Because people copy your content like pics and paragraphs and use them on their websites. To protect your content, watch this video completely. Let's start. Open your website. I have a local site for practice purpose. You can use your live websites. If you have also local server, then write localhost and press enter. Click on Access WordPress. Website will open shortly. I have posted article on it. Now you can see anyone can copy my content and use it anywhere. Let's protect it. Go to dashboard. Now we need a plugin. That is Content Protector. Click on plugin. And click on add new. I have downloaded this plugin. Please download this plugin. And click on upload plugin. Click on choose file. Select your downloaded plugin. And click open. Now click on install now. Let's wait while installation is not complete. It will take a moment. Installation is completed. Now click on activate plugin. A dialog box will open. Read it and click on start. Now it will check server, environment. I have everything is okay. Now click on next. Now skip this step. And also skip this. Click on view your website. And again open your article. You can see content is protected. No anyone can copy your content. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. I will respond you as soon as possible. Please like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.